Hey guys, I'm at the Milwaukee Media event and we're here with Dan and we're looking at the dual
Trigger braking grinder.
Dual braking safety grinder. Milwaukee Fuel M18. Yep. Although you could put a forged battery on this if you wanted to.
You could put a forged battery in this if you wanted to.
That's cool stuff. So the battery is just backwards compatible. It's going to work with all tools. Dan, would you just run us through some of the safety features of this tool?
Sure thing, yeah, happy to. So we're really excited about this product. It's going to be a new flagship grinder within our M18 fuel grinder family. And really that first disruptive feature is right there in the name, so dual trigger. Pivoting off of what we have currently with our dual trigger bandsaws, where you have to maintain a two-handed grip at all times. This grinder seeks to do the same thing. So you can see, I'm just going to turn the speed down. So I start by gripping the main handle and then the side handle, then main handle, excuse me. The tool's going to fire up. If I take that hand off the side handle, it's going to shut down also. If I take my hand off the main handle, it's also going to shut down.
So there's a sensor on the...
Yep, there's a pair of switches in the side handles. You can see each of these guys here actually trips an individual switch. So even if I just wanted to rest my hand there, I can do that. But once I take it away, it's going to shut down. I really like that. So really, again, making sure that you're keeping hands on there, keeping under control.
Of your tool.
If you got to reach and grab something or something happens, it's going to keep you under control.
Now, Dan, I saw you flip that handle over. What did you press?
Yeah, so knowing that, hey, these switches mean this handle always has to stay on. So new permanent side handle. Yeah. We wanted to make sure that you still have the same accessibility and comfort. So if I pull back on this little slider here, you can actually rotate the handle to a center position as well as a left position. So you get your ambidextrous grip. And then kind of coming back to here, you also get tilt functionality. So if I squeeze back on this collar, I can then rotate to additional 5 positions back along the body.
So three detents this way, 5 this way for angle for your wrist or comfort level.
15 positions, correct. So say I really wanted to lay on there, or I needed to get into a tight spot and bring the handle back along the body. It's really going to give you an interesting combination of different positions.
Now this is a one-key tool, which means you can program it, you can dial in some other safety features.
So with this tool, it is one key for tracking and management. But you mentioned other features that it has. Another first on this tool as well is auto stop. So we've heard a lot about auto stop on our Gen 4 drills and rotary hammers. This is the first Milwaukee grinder to add that functionality as well. So again, if I'm running the tool and say I slip off the workpiece or the wheel kicks, it's also going to shut down, but in all 3 directions. So it's a first for us to have effectively a 3D auto stop. So we're really excited about what that's going to do for control.
People don't think about how dangerous grinders actually can be, and this is a great safety feature for it. And it's got a fast brake too.
It does have a fast brake. So all of our fuel 5-inch grinders have rapid stop braking to stop the accessory quickly. This one actually dialed it up to stop in sub 1 second. So that's actually low speed, but I'll speed it all the way up to 8,500 RPM. And you can see how fast it stops that heavy flap wheel.
That's
so really again, if something happens, if the tool shuts down due to handle or auto stop, it's going to lock that accessory up quickly to keep you under control.
So price and availability.
So price and availability still to be determined. This unit's actually still in development, but stay tuned because we're getting close, and we're really excited to get this one out there for you guys.
You envision this coming as a bare tool or kitted, or
so we do expect it to be a bare tool to start. And we do suggest either HO60 or higher batteries or the new Forge 6.0 batteries, or when future Forge batteries are available as well. They're going to be an awesome pairing for that high power density, lightweight. Going to be a real beast of a grinder with that.
Dan, thank you so much. I really appreciate the time. Appreciate the explanation. Really cool tool.
Thank you.
Can we see a little grinding here?
Yeah, sure thing.